Welcome back to Kamaina Backroads. Now we're at Hilo's Wailoa River Boat Ramp, where we're the guests of the Big Island's newest adventure activity, Hilo Ocean Adventures. They take you out in a sturdy, state-of-the-art aluminum inflatable vessel, the only U.S. Coast Guard certified and inspected charter vessel in East Hawaii waters. Now, first things first, the trip starts off with a safety review by Captain Stephen Turner.
This thing actually communicates with satellites up there and tells them who we are and exactly where we are. So basically, we have all the equipment that's required to get the Coast Guard certification to operate out here. So that's the safety drill.
They call this trip the 3-hour waterfall journey, and what a waterfall journey it is. Everyone knows about Akaka Falls and Rainbow Falls, but who knew about the crazy bounty of waterfalls to be discovered all the way up the coast above Hilo? It goes on and on and on. Along the journey, Captain Steve shares stories about many of the sights on the way, and there are a lot, like the many remains of a once thriving sugarcane industry. The Pipik Hill Sugar Company, for example, commenced operations in 1857 and by 1923 was producing 4.6 tons of sugar per acre. Captain Steve Turner is a veteran Hawaii mariner with 20 years at the helm. He and his crew create an experience where, irrespective of your boating experience, you're sure to have a sweet time.